vlog. It is not Wednesday morning. Very horrible Wednesday morning, as you can see. So I'll show you all the school from the bus. Like the vlog, the rain has finally stopped. It's still fairly windy where it is. So yeah, I'm now going to the shop for morning to get some pop and bread. So check in with these on the way down to the shop.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is
One beautiful afternoon at town at the bay. It's just after 2 p.m. I'm just out of work. So yeah, I'm now on my way down to my nanny and grandma's. So check in with these, probably in my nanny and grandma's before I get to the house. So check in with these then.
like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love.
It's actually, believe it or not, the early hours of Friday morning. I'm going to end this vlog from Wednesday now. I did do an outro this morning actually, but I actually delayed it by mistake, so I do apologise for that. If you like this vlog from Wednesday, hit like, subscribe to my channel. Till today, thanks for watching.